Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte driver. So first we have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com and then click to search and enter your model number of your motherboard Z890 AI top and then hit enter. Then click to product and click on the title of name. This is your motherboard. You can see click on support. Select your operating system which is you require Windows 10, 11. Any select or installations process same. Select audio driver. You can see this is Realtek audio driver. Just click to download. Wait few seconds. It's driven on your internet. It will download. It will complete it. Just single click to open and double click to exe. This is extracted driver. So after that ask for the administrator rights. You just click on the yes. If you set the password, so put it the administrator password. Otherwise you just click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system to installations. Now this is installing the audio driver. So guys, it will close automatically, means this is installed. No need come to any complaint and like that. And then close it.